Welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, this is a New Year's glam look and also my review on the James Charles palette. Finally I got my hands on this. I actually went to Westfield Morphe. They've opened that there and it's... Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see from the title, I'm doing a New Year's glam look. New Year's is finally here. It's gone so fast. I don't know. I've grown a year older and yeah, anyways, and I'm also going to be reviewing the Morphe and James Charles collaboration. I love the packaging. I love this. He looks amazing. He does. I even watched a video of him buying a fake one. That was pretty funny to watch. So I'll link that in the description box for you guys to go ahead and watch. But I am so excited. Finally they opened a Morphe in Westfield in Stratford and I pretty much went in there. My husband felt really out of place but I don't care. But yeah, no, it comes in with like this bubble wrap. And all Morphe palettes come with this and I think that's really good because some of the colours can crack. It's just nice, simple. I love the fact that it doesn't have a click and it just opens like so. And then it has one of these that I always like kind of throw, or I get them lost because I mean I love to know all the names of the like colours, but it's how are you supposed to look after that? But the palette itself is amazing. It is so nice. I love the fact that it's got a mix of neutrals, a mix of like loads of colours. I love these. There's like one massive shimmer and then the rest are all matte. You've got your blacks, you've got your whites, so you can use this as a powder, you've got your transition colours, which I would use, and then you've got a whole range of like sunset, pinkish, purplish, blues. I just think it has a bit of everything, and I mean I love the way it's set. So we're going to use this today. I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows, so I'll be back in a second. Okay, eyebrows are done. So we're going to go, what we're going to use for our eyelid base is this eyelid primer from Morphe. I think it's in translucent. I know that James, he says that it's, if you use this with the palette, with his palette, the colours are more pigmented and they come out nicer and they also stay longer. I think they have a promotion at the moment on Morphe. When you buy the James Charles palette, you, instead of paying £10 for this primer, you only pay £5, which, I mean, it's not massively, like, it's not the biggest difference on earth, but I think it's still cool. So we're going to go ahead, put some of that on my arm like that. We're not going to use too much. It's weird because it has like a skin color, like a concealer, because not like usually I use my Revolution concealer and then just set it. So we're just gonna dab that all over my eyelid. It does come out quite translucent on the eyelid when you actually do put it on. Use the colour Canvas, which is this one right here. I'm just going to pick up my BH Cosmetics brush, the number 6 one, and we're just going to swirl that in. And I kind of want to use this as a transition, but also like just to set that primer. James, which lovely orange coral shade. So we're going to pick that up and we're just going to really, using the same brush. I love these brushes because they're like fluffy, but they're also angled, and just go in from the crease like that. Oh, I like that. I like that. I like that a lot. that is nice. That is really nice. So I mean, this is, it's like a light orange. It's so nice, it's so easy to work with, and I think the primer does make a difference. I'm gonna pick up the shade You're Kidding. This really nice pinkish corally shade right there. I'm gonna pick that up with the same brush. This actually had no fallout, so that's actually quite good. Oh, I like that. Oh, I like that. That is nice. That's so subtle. It's not like, it's not a lot. I only really dabbed into the shade itself because I didn't want to pick up too much and make it a bit too much on my eye. But that is actually really nice. Boutique and No Bean. This one right here and this one. So these two, there's no fallout. Like, there's no fallout, and that's what's so interesting to me. Like, a lot of palettes have a lot of fallout, and then just blend that in. So my mirror is here, so if I keep looking over here and I'm annoy you guys, just so you know, my mirror is there. So again, with the tiniest pickup, look at that. That looks, oh my god, that looks amazing. Ring light and face. So ring light is this shimmer right here. So it's a really nice, you know, gold shimmer. Look at that. Oh, I mean, well, really nice actually white shimmer. And then we're gonna pick up this is face. So this is a bit more gold champagne. I apply these shimmers with my fingers, so with my ring fingers, only because, oh my god, look at that. Oh my god. That is a lot of pigment, guys. Ooh. Deepen the, just really at the outer corners, so everything looks kind of like blended in, and it, you know, it's coming together. Maybelline matte ink eyeliner. So I use this, I've used this for years. It's got these kind of tips. I love these tips, and it's just so much easier to work with. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner and get back to you guys in a bit. Okay, so eyelashes and eyeliner done. I had some Black Lash mascara from 17. This is in the color black. So before we go ahead and apply any foundation or anything, I am picking up the Velour moisturizing makeup base. I love this. I always apply this all over my face. Like I said, I am having breakouts. I think it's, you know, when you're ill, you do have a lot of breakouts because your body is trying to get rid of the toxins. So that's one of them. But also, it's the winter, and it's like, oh, the weather in the UK is, it's like cold, but then it's not cold, and it's just back and forth, and I don't know what the hell is going on. Revolution foundation, it's the stick one. I've been kind of going back and forth, only because I've been having trouble with foundations. Some of them are leaving me really, really dry. So this one here is drying me out so bad, so I've kind of stopped using that. And just kind of really experimenting with foundations. I'm just trying to kind of find which one works best. A beauty blender. This one has literally been eaten. I don't know by who, but yeah. We're just gonna go ahead and blend that out like so. I'm happy with that. We're picking up the Revolution Conceal and Define concealer in C4. I love this concealer. I think it's like, it's so inexpensive, and it's nice. I think the only thing that I'm a bit like, oh, it's annoying. I think it's my own eyes. I've got really wrinkly eyes, and I can't really fault anyone else but myself. But even I can't even do that because it's not really my fault that they're wrinkly. They're just like that. I like to go up all the way to the lash line with this concealer. That's why I apply it a bit below it, because it moves. This concealer does move. It doesn't stick unless you leave it obviously there for like a long time. And yeah, and then I like to also do my nose, my smile lines. God, I had the worst chest infection like on Friday, not this Friday but last week at work. I literally, like, I was coming up into my flat with my husband, and I couldn't breathe because I was coughing so much, and it wasn't a phlegmy chest infection, it was really one of those dry ones where your chest hurts but your throat doesn't hurt. But because your chest hurts so much, you feel like your whole body hurt. And then, oh, I sneezed and it was literally the worst thing. I could feel the pain. I literally said to my mum, I was like, I can feel the pain from my toes. Like, it hurt so much. Got the Revolution Lace baking powder. I love this. I'm gonna put some on the lid, picking up my beauty blender, just the pointy side, and just really dab that on. I love the lace one because it's not like completely white. It has a champagne kind of color, just the tiniest hint of it. And yeah, I personally like it. Picking up the Revolution foundation stick in F11. I love this. I love this so much. This is all I've got left. So just apply that here, 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 on my chin, on my nose, on my that bit. And the reason I love this is because this foundation moves. So it moves and it doesn't like, it's not hard to work with. It's pretty easy to work with. Pick up the NARS Tahiti Bronzer Laguna. This is, yes, this one here right here. I have literally destroyed this with my powder. It's annoying, but hey ho. I've still kept the brush and stuff still here, and also like the plastic on here. Spectrum A05 contour brush, or angled brush, and just picking some of that up on my brush and going like so. Picking up the BH Cosmetics brush in #1, and we're just gonna, I love this brush, oh my god, it's so soft, it's so nice. We're just wiping away all of that baking powder like so. Up the Eco Tools controlled settings brush. I love this brush. Sleek makeup in 032 on the brush, and just going, ooh, look at that, look at that. I love this highlighter. I've had this highlighter like since last Christmas. Favorite brush, I love this. This is the BH Cosmetics brush in #10. This is perfect for like to get under your lash line. The No Beans, and just go over that, just to like deepen that look. And just apply like different kind of shades. Blend, 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 and you'll get what you want, the kind of colours you want. So always, if you're in doubt, I think the best friend is to blend. I think it's always like the best thing to do. So again, I picked up the colour Boutique, and all we're doing is applying and blending. That is actually really nice. I like that because it's dark. It kind of brings out my my brown eye. Is with the same brush, we're gonna apply some highlighter. A bit of the color has transferred on my top, so I kind of wanna, ooh, girl, look it, ooh, look at that. That is nice. I always go and work in between the two colors, so I pick up both of the shades. I don't work on just like one of the shades. I pick up both, and the only reason I'm kind of putting a lot is because I kind of want this to like, oh no, that's nice. Lip and Fab matte liquid lipstick in 45 Spice. I love this. This is really cute, and just really apply that on my lips. It's a darkish but like a purpley. I love that. I love this whole look. I think it looks really darkish, but like it looks elegant. I love it, and I love the palette. The palette is amazing. I think for £38, I think you are getting what you paid for. It looks amazing. I hope you love this tutorial as much as I did, and I hope you like my review. If you guys do want to see more, do let me know. I'm really happy with this look. I hope you guys are happy with this look, and if you've got any tips or tricks or anything that you think I could use, do let me know. Subscribe, like, comment, do all that jazz. Until next time, I'll see you.